10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60 down. 1 left over crest into 4 right. 4 right just here. And short 5 left through the bridge. Short 5 left through the bridge. 100 up, turn hairpin left. Hairpin left, tight, bail inside. That's the fucking stuff here. Here! 2 right over crest. 200 bumps, okay. Flat 2 left and flat 3 right over crest. 130. Yeah, crest and 1 left over crest. 100, crest bumps, 1 right over crest, 130. And braking for the chicane. Go on, go on. Now you're on it. Now you're fucking talking.
Yes, boy.
2 left out of it and a 4 right down. 4 right down and a 4 left. It's getting tight now for the hairpin right. Yeah, 2 right out of it. And a 3 right. 60. 3 right, tightens to a 4. Tightens to a 4. And then 60, 4 left, opens. I don't like this one, it's nasty, It's still wet. 130 out of it. Crest bump, 100. Care, 1 left and crest bump and short 4 right. 60, still very wet here. 3 right over crest and slow 2 right chicane. 4 bales, right entry. And up the hill, son. 3 left over crest and 2 right. Over crest, 130. Up, 1 right at the top. 60. Care crest, bump, and 3 left past the farm. Only 40, square right. 3 left here, square right. Three left, tightens at crest, tightens. And a flat, long 3 right. 40 up. And then 3 right over crest, bump, slippy. Watch yourself. 3 right.
All right.
4 right over the gravel.
Oh,
4 right over the gravel. Pick your way through it. That's your stuff here. And a 5 left. Turn square left. That flute. 80. 2 right into crest. And 2 left past the fence. And 2 left in over crest. 1 right, flat crest, flat 2 right, flat crest again. 80, 2 right, and a 1 left, and a 1 right. Down into the chicane. Watch your brake, it might come wet. Up me, boys, that's serious braking. 100, care, 2 right over crest bump. 80, 1 right over crest bump and jump. 40, 1 right over crest bump and jump. 40, care, right on crest, jump. Caution, middle over, big jump. This is the big jump. Oh, this in here, and the 2 left after it. 2 left after it, yeah. Oh, you bastard. 2 left, and this is, oh, I'm fucking lost. This is the dip coming, the dip, the dirty dip. That's you, yeah. 1 left. 600, bumps okay. Hey son, I think I hit my elbow off the damn bars here.
Right, fucking doing it all day.
Bump up here at the walls, and then a crest into the tight square left. It's very tight with a bale. Very tight with the bale. It's you, boy, it's you. Oh, and then crest, and 1 left over crest at the top, 170. And then bumps at the hedge, and a 3 left plus, slippy if wet, 3 left, slippy if wet. 1 right over crest, care 2 left over crest. 200 bumps down, and then the bumps are coming up down here. You know it yourself, this is the jump here. Jump and a bump here, and then a 3 right. Turn fast, 5 left, 5 left. Very slippy there. 80, 3 right and 2 left. Gravel past the farm. Ooh, you cut you. Flat crest. Tidy, tidy, tidy. Up you. 4 right over crest. And slowing 2 left into 4 right. Slowing 4 right. 3 right over crest and jump. And 4 left after it. 4 left here. And a 4 right at the bottom again. 4 right just here. Into 3 left, tightens to a 5. Tightens to a 5. And a long 2 right, tightens to a 3. Tightens here now, just tightens here. 2 left, 60. 3 right plus. 2 left. And left on crest bump. Left on crest bump. The fucking sun. 2 right over crest. Care. 1 left and 1 right through the dip. 2 right over crest bump here. 2 right over crest bump. Crest bump and 1 left. Flat crest through the dip. 160 turn square right drive it. Square right drive it. Yeah. 4 left, 5 right opens. Yeah. 130. 2 left and long over crest. Bumps. 250 down into a chicane. Right entry. 3 bales. Good grip there now. Crest and dip out of it. 250. 1 right, only 40 chicane, right bales, right entry bales. It's very tight. Square right, tidy. Square right, tidy, tidy, tidy. Jump. You know it yourself. Yeah. 100 bumps. Crest. 105 right here at the gate. 5 right and a 4 left. 4 left out of it, 4 left, 4 left, 4, 4, 2 right, 40 up, long 2 left over crest. Now dirty bump dip and a 1 right over crest. 1 right over crest, good lift here, and a 2 right. 150 dip past the house, care 2 right, only 40, 4 left. 4 left. Turn square left plus, bail inside. Plus. Forward to let it run out. See, 1 right, 80, crest, long, fast, 4 right here, over crest. Very long, it's very wet. Hairpin left at the bottom of it, hairpin left. Tight hairpin left. .200, turn 5 right uphill, 5 right uphill. 40, care 2 right over crest into 2 left. And a 2 right and a 3 left. 3 left here at the pole and turn square right. 60, turn square right. 60, turn square right. Tidy. Yes, son. 100, flat crest, 1 left. Crest over bumps and right on bumps. This is all bumpy up through here. It felt alright the first time. 170, care 2 left continues over crest. 2 left continues over crest here. Into a 2 right and dip, okay, 130. 3 right over crest, 3 right here. 3 right coming now. Crest and dip and right on bump. This is right on bump here. 2 left on this crest bump, 2 left. 3 right. And 1 right and down into turn square left. Square left, keep it neat and tidy. Surface change as you turn in. Surface change. Turn square left, muddy as fuck. Watch yourself. Muddy. That's the stuff, better now. Crest, only 60. 5 left in. Crest, only 60. 5 left in. And a 4 right. And a 3 left gravel into 4 right. 4 right here. 5 left tight. 5 left tight. 80. Long 5 right, tightens, slippy if wet. Tightens at the end again, tightens here. Caution, 3 left over crest, don't cut, braking for square right. Dirty square right. 60. 5 left. 5 left. Left on crest and 1 right, 60. 3 right at the house. 1 right. 3 right at the house here and a 3 left bump. This is muddy here. 3 left bump, 4 right and then a square right. Square right coming. Oh, that's the stuff here. Well done, well caught. Oh shit. 3 left, long 3 right, narrows. 1 left, 40 bumps, 5 left, don't cut. 1 right over crest and a 3 right in. 3 right in coming now. And then a square left, the dirty one. Square left, very slow. 4 right. 4 right here. 40. 4 left past the farm. 4 left. And then a 1 right over crest and a 3 left plus. Turn a square left in. Square left in. Well done, son. That was some cut.